What's going on, YouTube? Back with another review. Today we got the iPhone 15 Pro Max Alcantara case and the matching AirPod Pro 2nd Gen case. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, get a feel for it, see how it goes, and hopefully put it on our devices. So out the box, it's a pretty nice box. Opens up pretty nicely, and it's a stand. So this is pretty cool. So as a product showcase, I would definitely say for this phone, or I should say the 15 Pro Max, it's a really nice feel. 100% Alcantara, made in Italy. So that's really nice. Shout out to the brand Alma, however I pronounce it. Shout out to you guys. You guys make really good products. So that's our first thing, is the phone case. The second thing is the matching AirPod case, just to complement the phone. So whenever I'm traveling or anything like that, I can definitely have my matching set. So let's get a feel for it and test it out. So as we put it on, we're going to be putting on the case first for the AirPods and then obviously the phone later. But it definitely does have a good feel to it, and it definitely seems like it slides right in just as it should. They do put, I believe this is 3M tape. I could be wrong, but they do have like 3M tape, I guess, for the top, which should give it some added support. That way the top piece doesn't fly off, because I've had AirPod cases before and the top just goes flying, and it's kind of annoying. But I guess they really took the time to kind of work out kinks that other brands didn't. So shout out to them for that, and let's test it out. So definitely a nice feel to it. Sits flush, looks pretty solid. I mean, I would definitely give this an 8 out of 10. I decided to start with the top just because you do have to apply quite a bit of pressure to get this tape that goes underneath it to stick, which that's what I really do like from Alma, is they really do take the time, because I've had Belkin cases, Otterbach cases, and they just never really sat well, and the second you open it up it would fling. So they definitely took the time to kind of make sure that this sits good and flush. Putting the bottom piece on definitely is nice. The only thing that I don't like is how it has a mean overbite right here. But other than that, I definitely would give this an 8 out of 10 just because of that. Product feels nice. Very soft, suede-like material, and very durable, easy to clean. I've had these in the past and they've done really well. This is my second one and my first phone case. So Alma, or Alma, however you pronounce it, I suck, so sorry, but appreciate you. You guys are amazing, really good brand based out of Cali, made in Italy. So definitely like that subscribe button, smash that if you can, and definitely leave us a comment. I'm gonna leave a link down below that's gonna get you to pretty much the Alma site with a discount, and on top of that I'll get you guys a discount on the Amazon. So definitely check that out if you're looking for a new case or looking for AirPod cases. I'm gonna leave a link down below. So just give me a shout out, let me know what you guys think, and if it's something you guys want to do, we can link up. Alma, reach out to me, because I do buy a lot from you guys, so I need that subscription already. So hit me up. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.